So far, we've talked about creating sequences of notes and chords and attaching them to computer keys to create a soundboard. There's a third way to create sounds that are attached to the soundboard, and that's by actually recording a sound. So if you click the Sound tab and then click Record, you've got a little recorder, and now 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3. You can create a sound and then rename it 1, 2, 3, and there you go. 1, 2, 3, and then go back over to Scripts, go to Sound, and use the Play Sound command. Now 1, 2, 3. We also could record things like tapping a glass or a dog barking or any other sound that we can capture with the recorder. So recording ringing glass gives us this type of sound. We can replicate this. Play sound ringing glass, and then attach it to a key. So we used the 1 key for the sequence of notes, the second key, number 2 key for chords. So I'm going to attach this to the 3 key, and when I press the number 3 on the computer keyboard, it plays the sound.